Hi, my name's Peter Licorinas and I've been helping property investors build their portfolios now for over 10 years. With the downfall of the buy-to-let market over recent years, I've been helping property investors reshape and rebuild their property portfolios using one of the most powerful property strategies in today's market, HMOs. We leverage our carefully put together power team to find the best areas, the best deals and package the best HMOs, ready to attract the best possible tenants and get the best returns for our investors. With up to £40,000 income a year in the best areas, adding value and investing for long-term capital as well is without doubt one of the most outstanding property strategies in today's market. And now is the time to find the best opportunities, take action and be part of what we're building. If you're interested, then please get in contact with me direct. We can meet for a coffee and I can tell you about it in a lot more detail. I look forward to hearing from you soon.